A new era of discovery. The James Webb Space Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope is the most powerful telescope ever built. It allows us to see farther into space than ever before. This telescope helps us make incredible discoveries. The telescope can see very faint objects. It can also see objects that are very far away. This is because the telescope is very large and has very sensitive instruments. The James Webb Space Telescope is a game changer for astronomy. It allows us to study the universe in ways that were not possible before. This telescope is helping us to answer some of the biggest questions in astronomy. Some of these questions are about the early universe and the search for life beyond Earth. K218b is an exoplanet located 124 light-years away from Earth. This planet is about twice the size of Earth and 8 times as massive. K218b orbits a red dwarf star called K218. What makes K218b so interesting is that it lies within the habitable zone of its star. The habitable zone is the region around a star where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet. Liquid water is essential for life as we know it. The James Webb Space Telescope recently observed K218b. The telescope detected the presence of molecules in the planet's atmosphere. These molecules are called dimethyl sulfide, DMS, and dimethyl disulfide, DMDS. DMS and DMDS are organic molecules. This means that they contain carbon. These molecules are found on Earth. On our planet, they are produced by living organisms. DMS is released by phytoplankton in the oceans. DMDS is produced by bacteria. The presence of DMS and DMDS in the atmosphere of K218b is exciting. This is because it could be a sign of life. However, it is important to note that these molecules can also be produced by non-biological processes. Scientists are still trying to understand what the presence of DMS and DMDS on K218b means. More research is needed to determine if these molecules are being produced by living organisms or by other processes. Scientists are carefully analyzing the data from the James Webb Space Telescope. They are looking for more clues about the possibility of life on K218b. They are also using other telescopes to study this planet in more detail. The discovery of DMS and DMDS in the atmosphere of K218b is a major step forward in the search for extraterrestrial life. It shows that we have the technology to detect the potential signs of life on other planets. The search for life beyond Earth is one of the most profound scientific endeavors of our time. The discoveries being made by the James Webb Space Telescope are bringing us closer than ever to answering the question of whether or not we are alone in the universe. This is an exciting time for science and for all of humanity.